Hello and welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to show you, we're at Butlins at Bognor and we're going to give you a room tour. We've just arrived, we've got an upstairs one. So this is a 2-bedroom, well, apartment really. Double bed. It does all feel quite spacious. A little TV there. A heater, which as it's August now, we're not going to need. And we've got an iron there, haven't we, look. Ironing board, well, that's thoughtful. You can even dry your clothes with an air. Okay, we'll go through the main bedroom into the second bedroom, which has got twin beds in it. Well, actually quite wide. I think you'd easily get away with adults on there, they're not kiddie only. I think this bit's called Atlantic Bay. Back to the hall, and then you've got your shower room. You do have a maid service, so things like tea and coffee are not replaced, but everything else is. And even a thoughtful stand for the little ones. And then as you come in, you have got a main living area. Some bigger telly. Three-piece suite, oh no, two-piece suite. Little table. And then you've got your cooker, kettle, toaster, microwave. You've even got a mini dishwasher. The only thing I've brought, of course, due to my love of coffee, is I've brought my own Tassim machine and I've got my Dyson, so I shall give it the once over with that. So I'll put the links below. If you are keen to have a UK holiday, so this is Butlins at Bognor. This is the 2-bedroom apartment. I'll put the actual details because I can't remember what it's called below. Please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.